Hey guys, welcome back to Shobita's Joyful Space after so long time. I'm really sorry for not being, regular in YouTube, but there have been a lot of things happening in our life. So many of you guys have asked me in Instagram and even in Facebook, and a lot of people who know me personally message me in my WhatsApp, asking me, "Are you okay? Did you get, infected by COVID, or did your family get it?" So by God's grace, no, we till now did not get COVID. There were other things happening in our life, as I said. And one thing is that my husband changed his job. So that was a big decision that we took. There was so much in our plate that we still wanted to take the decision. So we really prayed about it. We gave it a nice thought and we decided that we were going to move on. I think about a week before the last working day in the organization, the lockdown happened and so we couldn't go anywhere. And then the organization was kind enough to let us stay there till the lockdown was over. We spent the lockdown, searching for jobs, doing other stuff, and looking for houses, doing the admission procedure and everything. We had this long time dream of trying out homeschooling.
We have read about it, we have researched about it, but we were really not sure if we are not capable of doing it. So we consulted a few people, consulted a few of our friends that we know who are doing homeschooling. And so they all gave good positive opinion about homeschooling.
When we first visited this house, it was like a mix of a lot of colors. So we decided that we would paint by ourselves, but we had no idea how we were going to do it because Ruby was away with his job and I had to do everything by myself. I waited till the next weekend and I got help from two of our friends and I'm ever grateful to them, each one of them who came and helped me. We decided that we would paint just one color and just finish it off. Yeah, so I'm really thankful to all of you guys, Kyujin, Hita, Lakshmi, Milan, and the kids, for coming and helping us in painting. The next weekend, again, I came with Lakshmi, my friend, and we painted all the windows and the doors. And after she left, every single day I came here to this house with the kids in the morning, and I would just clean one room at a time. I literally scrubbed every single tile in this house. lot of drilling to be done, a lot of fixing to be done. Yeah, so that's how we finished cleaning the house. Then it was the moving day, and again, Karbom, Hita, Hina, a lot of my friends had come to help me in shifting our house. It took a lot of days for me to unpack because even with the baby, it was really difficult. So as you enter, this is our main living room. In this house, most of the furniture that we have is made by me and my husband. This is my kitchen. I am a baker and I have a small business that I run from home. So for that, there are so many things that you need, and I don't have enough space in this kitchen, but I'm very grateful for this kitchen because it's much better than what we had before. And this is a shelf that I keep my spices and stuff like that. This shelf was again made by me and my husband from scrap wood. We love having different kinds of knives, and this was one way to make them look organized and make them look nice. Next we go into the master bedroom. And the last is the kids room. And this is where Sam sleeps. This is Sam's chart, her morning chart. This is baby's changing table. And this is the baby's cot. And that's pretty much our home. It took so much time for me to come back to putting up videos on the YouTube. Another thing is that I have a small business. I am a small self-taught baker. So I bake cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and all the other baking stuff. So I had so many orders coming up at that time when we moved to the house, and we just got so busy. Anyways, if you guys want to really follow me on a daily basis, or at least a weekly basis, definitely follow me in my Instagram account. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome to Shobita's Rapid Space. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 kids, and I homeschool my oldest daughter. I'm a baker, and I do basically videos of cooking, baking especially, and stuff like that. So hopefully I will catch you guys soon enough, and please stay tuned for more videos.